When?
On Monday, he ate through one apple, but he was still hungry.
Very good.
On Tuesday, he ate through 2 pears, but he was still hungry. On Wednesday, he ate through 3 plums, but he was still hungry. On Tuesday, he ate through 3 strawberries, but he was still hungry. On Friday, he ate through 5 oranges, but he was still hungry. Again, this one. On Sunday, he ate through 1. Okay, I don't know this.
Just make the first sound. That'll help you. Piece.
Piece
Of
cake.
chocolate cake.
Chocolate cake. 1 ice cream cone. 1 pickle, 1 slice of Swiss cheese, 1 slice of salami, 1 lollipop, 1 slice of cake,
Cherry pie.
cherry pie, 1 sausage, hot dog or sausage, and 1 cupcake or something, and 1 slice of watermelon.
Very good.
Then he had his stomach ache.
What does the next page say?
I'm not reading the next page.
Oh, you're almost done.
Oh, yeah, he's done. Oh, God, I can't.
What? I can help you.
Oh! I'm just going to look through the pictures.
Let's just get that first word, and then you're all set. Here, next page. What's that first word? Spell it.
Okay.
The next. The next.
The next morning.
The next. D.
The next day.
Right.
Where
Was.
Sunday
Again.
again. The caterpillar ate through 1 nice green leaf,
And after.
and after that, he felt much better.
Excellent. Wait, don't. You're almost
Why?
done. Do you realize how close you are to being at the end of the book?
Well, I'm not reading all the way to the end
It's
of the book.
you're almost done. Okay.
Done.